Jai 9 class. Today I start chapter 2 National Integration. National integration means Rashtriya Ekikaran. National integration is the awareness of a common identity amongst the citizens of a country. What is national integration? National integration means combine all the people of the nation into a single whole. It brings together all the people in one common bond, no matter what their religion, language, or history. National integration in India, 19 November is celebrated as the National Integration Day. It is also Indira Gandhi's birthday, who is the first woman Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister is the chairman of a National Integration Council in India. Motto of National Integration: Unity in Diversity is the motto of Indian life and culture. A wide range of diversity in dress, language, culture, food and manner can be easily noticed among the people of the different in their manner and way of living. They are aware of the importance of a national integration. Now, religion in India. Different types of religion in India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism. The main thoughts of Kofi Annan is the president of UNO. We may have a different religion, different language, different color skin, but we all belong to one human race. And the Gitanjali is written by for Tagore. Is written by the. It was the highest importance that people will be able to live and reason in freedom. His attitude toward politics and culture, nationalism and internationalism, tradition and modernity can also be seen in the light of this belief. Nothing perhaps express his value as clearly as a poem in Gitanjali. Importance of national integration: maintenance of peace and harmony, growth and development of the nation, internal security, law and order, cultural and religious development, economics and industrial growth, welfare and well-being of the people, dignity and self-respect as a nation. So, India's civilization is one of the oldest in the world. In the past, people belonging to different race and religion came and settled here. They brought with their distinctive language and lifestyle. It is the duty of every citizen to strive to achieve unity in spite of diversity and further it. We must remember that there should be no division between north and south and east and west of India. There is only one India. We all Indians are inheritors of this great nation. Now class, thank you and Jai Narayan.